the quick 1-2 of how do we take Spexy drone footage to promote it on Facebook with an interactive 360-degree view. Here's what I mean. I'll switch to an example project where we flew over an address in Caledonia for a listing agent, Philip Thompson. This has a 360-degree view that I can pan with my mouse by just clicking, dragging, and looking wherever I'd like. If I'd like to zoom in, I can. The nice part about this is it's not just one image that I'm click, click, click forward to see all the various images. It's actually all tied together. So how do we push this out onto Facebook and other social channels? Facebook is great. They've got a 360-degree automatic view. In this back door where we allow you as the listing agent to access either the hyperlink or the embeddable code to paste on your own website, we also have a download image. When you click download image, it will open this odd looking page. This is actually how we tie together a 360. Don't be worried about this view, just save the image. Okay? Once we've saved the image, we'll save it to our desktop, wherever you choose. We're going to go into Facebook. And in Facebook, I've already given you this example, but I'll just show you. You simply go into Facebook, you upload a new post. When you upload a new post, you're going to drag and drop the 360. And you can see this is already up and running. It's exactly the same as we saw in the Spexy player. And you can tell that it's a 360 because of this indicator. What do I mean? Well, let me show you. I will mirror my cell phone and I'll drag it in on the screen so I can show you as I move my phone what happens, which is a nice part about promoting rich interactive feed. On this, as I tilt my phone, you can see immediately that the picture moves. Facebook loves that you're promoting interactive images. This will score higher than just a regular JPEG that doesn't move. Hope this video helps. If you need any further guidance, let me know. Be happy to guide you through step by step.